many doctors are recommending and prescribing dangerous cholesterol medication, mainly statins, to children less than 8 years of age. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that children 8 years or sometimes younger with high cholesterol will benefit from statin therapy. This is why I believe most pediatricians should serve time in prison. What are statins? What do they do? Statins are a class of medications primarily used to lower cholesterol levels, and these crooked pharmaceutical companies and these crooked doctors who are promoting these pharmaceutical companies are actually promoting this bullcrap, and they're falsely claiming that these statins can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease like heart attacks and strokes. Now, that sounds a little questionable, right? They never really discuss the risk of these statins, so let's take a look. Statins have been primarily known to cause side effects such as muscle pain, increased risk of diabetes. We already see our overweight and obese children, right? And in certain cases, liver damage or rhabdomyolysis. Other reported side effects include memory problems, increased risk of stroke, and cataracts. So they just try to bullcrap you and claim that they can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease when the common side effect is a stroke, which is a cardiovascular disease. Folks, you need to open up your eyes and read between the lines. So why are they demonizing cholesterol, which we've been eating for the past 2.5 million years, and it's essential? Even Stat Pearls admits that cholesterol is a molecule which is essential for human life. It has many roles which contribute to normal functioning cells. Moreover, cholesterol is a primary substance for producing certain hormones, including sex hormones such as testosterone and estrogen, and it also plays a crucial role in the production of vitamin D and the digestion of fat. And then hormones work together with the cholesterol because hormones in turn influence cholesterol levels and metabolism. So we're already talking about our hormonal health, which we're seeing plummet. You see all these beta males with a very low testosterone, they're getting like a no-fat diet. Well, it just shows you how weak they are. They probably have TDS and a lot of other symptoms, but they're demonizing fat, and they're taking this cholesterol medication and they're harming our future children. You really want to trust him to fact check all your information? So why are they trying to fact check all this? Let's go back. Google is the main kind of fact check that we've all known about, right? And I already told you in prior videos, Google is owned by Alphabet Incorporated, and the CEO of Alphabet Incorporated since 2019 was Sundar Pichai, but he was already working with Google prior years. And he was also tied to the censorship scam with Dragonfly software back in 2018 and 2019, which was censoring all the information, including the vaccine dangers to the American public. Do you really want to trust him to fact check all your information? So, in just last month, Google finally announced that it's going to stop using the fact-checking snippets in its search. For the past decade, Google's fact-checking snippet under the name of Claim Review has been primarily used as Google for fact-check information when a Google user search explicitly for a suspicious claim. They're trying to hide this information to the public because they don't want you to know about it. They're all tied to these pharmaceutical companies. They're all thriving off of you getting sicker, and they don't want you to know what's good for your health. They're not looking out for your health. So folks, eat meat, train hard, and let's make America great and healthy again.